Alright. Alright.
Oh, coin.
Nobody's getting that except for me, and I'm
Okay.
gonna make sure it's not usable. Not yet, at
Just
least.
gonna put it right down there.
You can't cover it, Pete. It makes it impossible. God, Pete.
Put this right here. Why?
Oh!
Oh shit! Oh shit!
See, get me.
Fuck this bridge. Fuck this bridge. Fuck this bridge.
Okay, so
Fuck this bridge. Fuck this bridge.
Monkey going hard.
So I thought it would just like crumble when you just step on it. Apparently not. It just kind of.
It
No.
does actually, kinda does.
It kind of does,
Yeah.
but it takes multiple jumps. Too easy. No points. Wow.
Oh, the bridge
Somebody don't want this to be. Oh, it get. Okay, so it permanently stays like that. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
That makes it impossible, I think. Good idea, Crimson. That's actually not bad. Because we gotta make it possible when all the bridge is gone, eventually.
No, that's gonna make it possible. Don't.
Not yet. You can counter that later.
Got it. He's destroying the bridge. He's just destroying it.
I'm a
Stop
monkey.
it.
I'm a monkey
Go.
of chaos.
The smile on his face tells us.
Yeah, he likes doing chaos. He likes to ruin the. He wants to see the world on fire.
Watch, it's just gonna say too easy.
Yeah, he's gonna say too easy again.
Because everyone made it, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta at least one person die. Do we both get that?
Yeah.
No.
No, we're gonna go work in the team. Where are you gonna put it?
Oh,
Yeah, where?
around here might work.
Right,
Hey, put yours down and I'll put mine in. Oh, fuck.
Oh,
Go. Oh!
who did that? Who did that?
Hey!
Who was the bastard who did that?
That was Crimson that put that there.
Shit.
Oh god. Oh god.
Wait, maybe if you touch it, maybe if you touch the I meant like poke the ones that were next to your head.
Oh yeah, that could have
They
worked.
could like crumble.
Well, my ground one would have crumbled first because I would have jumped on it. Hmm.
Destroyed it.
No.
Shitter. No, you have to do a very precise jump.
Why?
Oh, you're fucking cunt. Oh my god, I almost fucking died by that. He made it. He fucking made it.
Come on, die, Crimson.
Howdy. Howdy.
Trap.
Oh.
Oh, I got a trap.
Yeah, that's the one.
Tied.
Just say, work with me. Work
What are
with
you
me,
doing?
this
What are
one.
you doing? No,
where-
no.
Where do you want to put it?
I'm putting mine here.
Ah, fuck. Your Crimson?
I'm gonna put mine here.
You know what?
Yeah.
You
make
know
it
what?
up.
Jesus.
You made it up.
Yeah, go break that stuff over there, buddy. I think that might be the only way out of this.
Good job, Thirsty. You made it impossible. Good job.
Alright, just blow
Good
it up.
fucking job.
Or we can make an underpath under that. You know.
Stupid
No, you
monkey.
don't. That's not gonna be fun. What I can do is, I don't know. Actually, it's gonna make it.
Hmm.
We're here.
Why are you doing that? The hell's that gonna do?
You will see a little bit later.
Oh shit!
It's possible. You guys are ruining my shit. Get off. Hey.
At the same time, skip around. Come on, monkey, skip around.
Come on, little monkey,
Ah!
over here.
Okay, I'm coming. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
I wasn't expecting that.
He's gonna
I wasn't expecting that.
Oh, we got a cannon. Hmm. Do you see what I see, Pete?
No.
Made it!
Oh my god! How did you make the jump?
Yeah,
Take
jump
the can.
around it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's perfect.
That's a
perfect.
death machine right there.
There's
The cannon
no
actually
way
helps
we're gonna-
though.
Oh, there you go.
That's a flame or breaker.
Alright, no, we can do it. Lots of nukes. I've been just destroying the bridge mostly.
Get rid of that.
He's garbage.
This going is gonna be useless. You know what? Hey! You deleted the best part. But
Crimson did, yeah.
Yeah.
You know what?
When you blow something up, don't blow all of it up, because then it makes it way too easy. Blow some of it, not all of it. You might actually be able to get that point. If you should have blown anything up, should have been my fucking flame trap up there.
Ah! Oh.
Nice. Nice.
Come on, break the bridge. You know you went to.
Oh!
And he got some traps
You get it,
too. Now
man.
he's in the lead.
Damn, you zoom when you go, Crims.
What?
You are a piece of shit. You are a piece of shit, Pete.
What? What
You
did
didn't see
you
what
do?
he did. You didn't see what he
He
did.
doesn't know. He doesn't know. Don't tell him. He doesn't know.
What did you do?
He doesn't know.
That.
Oh! You asshole!
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh my god. You're a prick.
Garbage!
You're a prick.
That's what you get, karma. That's what you get.
Look at him. Can you even get that clock?
Looks like a rag doll. Look at him go.
Monkey vision.
Happy monkey.
Oh my god.
This man.
Someone stop the monkey.
Did I get that? Or did you get it? Oh, you didn't get it. I got it.
No, other. Why'd you do that way?
Yeah, why did you do that way?
Why'd you do that way?
Oh,
Now
you're
you
doing-
can make it possible.
That's not. That makes it impossible if you put that there.
It does. Someone has to put something down. No, don't do that.
That makes it impossible. Why did you do that?
No, not
No,
that.
it's not
God damn
possible.
How is it possible?
it. Ow.
You can go up and over. Now it's impossible.
No, it's
Now it's impossible.
No, you can still go up and over the boundaries. Stop trying to break the fucking map. You. Someone blow up the goddamn flame, please.
We keep on not getting explosives.
That is true, actually. You're gonna die. You're gonna die if you stay on that.
Oh my
You piece
god,
of shit!
this man.
Get in the
This
cannon! Get in the
man.
cannon! You garbage. You garbage.
He can still get up there, Luke.
Yeah. He fucking did it. He fucking did it.
This garbage. Man,
Oh!
come back.
He outran me!
Man! This madman!
Now you know what?
What?
I don't want this here.
You're a piece of shit. Crimson, no. You're
Crimson
an extra piece of shit.
He's laughing like a little girl, dude. He knows it's a bad.
Alright, Pete, go. Go ahead.
Yeah, you go first.
Show us the way.
You fuck
You
this
know
up.
the way. Go.
Alright.
Go, you stupid zebra.
Wait.
Yeah, you came back.
No.
That's not the right way.
Ooh.
Oh no.
Sorry,
He's
your
on.
turn, monkey.
No, I'm not going. You're in the lead.
No, you can go, man. You can go.
Sure?
I'm not going. Fuck that.
Alright, I'll do it. I gotta wait for it to turn around there. You said you'd wait. Hey, you made it back. Oh,
Good job, Chris.
Oh, no. I'm good. Okay, maybe not. Okay, maybe I'm good. Okay. Okay.
go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, there he goes. He got stuck in my fucking fan cannon trap. I was honestly interested in what it was gonna do.
He won.
No, not yet. You got ahead of him. You got a coin.
I'm like,
Oh yeah, you're right. I got some crab, really.
Hmm.
last turn, whoever makes it, whoever's got the most in this one is the winner.
Hmm. I wish we had explosive.
Yeah.
Add something to the wall, Thursday.
What wall?
That wall. Yeah, the big wall. The definitive wall.
That makes it impossible.
No, yeah.
I probably fucked up.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
You know what?
You're a madman.
Yeah. See me.
Oh, he did not make it.
Well, I'm definitely last.
Oh, P1.
The only way to be able to get past now is to go up and over. You go past the bees.
I don't even know if that's possible.
No, it's not possible.
Might be.
Oh. Nope.
There we go.
Pete won. Pete won.
Did he?
Yeah.
Or was it you?
I won.
Yeah, I think so.
Holy shit! Pete actually won one. Wait.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
Pete
yeah.
won.
Yeah.
Hacker. Crimson still
Yeah.
owns this fucking game, no? He fucking destroys.
It's because I'm like cautious AF. I'll like try to like be so careful.
I'm going rando. Oh fuck.
Me too. Nope,
Waterfall.
no. Waterfall. That's weird. You
Oh.
would think that if two people go for random and one person goes for specific, you would think that they would go for the specific one.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so it's not even possible yet. We gotta go up and around. Okay, I'm just
Okay.
gonna throw this here.
I'm gonna try to go.
Well, we gotta make the jump. See, we gotta go from bottom to top.
No, that's easy. That's easy. They'll
gotta
make
go-
it easier.
You should have. Now we can't do anything, you retard.
It's not easy.
You retard. There's no way we can
You
hit that.
retard.
You should put it. You should have put the stairs here. Well, all right.
Yeah, yum.
Kill him. Kill him. God Almighty, smite thee. He's dabbing.
He's a man.
Alright, come on.
Come on, jump already. Yeah. I hope I get that.
Scream!
We need paths.
Sounds like a rabid dog.
I need that.
Damn.
Oh, you garbage, Pete. Hmm. Well, that's actually interesting.
Bro.
Ah.
Okay, well, now,
No,
now we can do it.
Now we can do it. Now we can do it. Careful.
Come on, Dizzy.
You did it. You did it. Oh. I was watching Crimson. That actually isn't that bad.
Yeah. You get the first place though.
It doesn't matter.
Too easy. No
Yeah, I
points.
said that, buddy.
Thirsty, you should have killed yourself.
Nope. Not for
We should get the honey.
It's fucking glue. Yeah, it is honey. I think it's
be
cheese,
good.
actually. Could be wrong.
Put in on the. Never mind.
Wait, what?
That's kind of useless.
Okay.
You should have just went for the stairs.
Okay.
Oh, you died too? Oh my god.
Yeah. Do the last one. Complete the mission.
I'm on a cheesy one. I'm on a fucking cheesy one.
That was too cheesy, dude.
Out of all the ones I could have landed on, I landed on that one.
Cheesy,
I
bro.
know.
That was too cheesy, bro.
You went all.
Ooh.
God
I follow you, seriously.
damn.
No, don't make it useless.
I'm getting rid of this.
Yeah.
That's junk. I thought it wouldn't be, but no.
Wait,
it's
Pete,
junk.
put it on the other end of this so it's two ways that we can get up. Wait, turn it sideways though. Turn
Oh,
it sideways.
come on.
Oh. There? Perfect.
Now it's possible.
Cool. That's cool, actually.
It is actually kind of cool. Yeah, it makes it. See? Oh!
Oh.
We got sniped! We got fucking sniped.
I didn't
That's what
expect
it
that.
was.
I did not expect that.
Yeah.
That-
There's two of us.
Pete, that up there is not even
whoever's
new.
trapped that
My
is got a
own
double
trap.
kill.
Doesn't matter.
Whoever's trapped is that got a double kill. Damn.
Ooh. Nice.
Kinda sucks.
Alright, let's see. Let's see.
Fucking. I want to get rid of this so bad.
Why? No. It's good because there's nothing else that's hard yet.
I'm getting rid of this then.
A replacement takes its
No,
place.
no, no.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
No! Oh, that's even worse. Oh, okay. Then. Oh,
No,
never
it
mind.
moves.
That's good.
Yeah. Oh. Better hope that trap doesn't hit you. He got shredded. He got shredded.
Thank you.
Should've left the thing there. Asshole!
You better
Piece of
stop.
shit ass,
You
looking
son of a
ass,
bitch.
stripe ass, motherfucker. Thirsty kill somebody at least. It wasn't.
Like,
It was-
you.
Oh, yeah, that's
It doesn't count if I kill myself. Oh my god, that's a fuck ton of ice. Wow, he gets a shitty block. I wish I could tilt things.
Do it. Put it somewhere.
I don't know where to put it. You no, I'm not doing that. You're retarded. It's a block.
Fuck up.
You're fucking retarded.
Alright.
Oh my god, he almost didn't make it. Oh!
Congrats, you just make it easier.
Why did I panic?
Don't do that. Don't do that. What the hell did I just pick up? What the fuck is this? Is it spin?
Oh wait. Damn, I love the sound of this sound.
Nice arrow, by the way. Here we
Now
go.
this is interesting, dude. Now this is interesting.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh! Oh my god!
Bye. Wait, how did he die?
I got swing down into the spike.
Yeah, you got spiked.
Dude, I love this song. Actually. Oh, interesting.
Oh, Crimson got left the hay bale in a fucking shitty thing. I don't know how strong is the current, because I don't want to make it impossible.
I should do
It's
this.
pretty strong. It's pretty strong.
It's pretty strong. Should I do this?
No, it'll make it impossible
No, yeah.
if it's too strong. Yeah,
right.
do something that you can resist enough to make it a little bit far
From
away.
here, maybe from here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Shit. Why did I do that? Ah!
Good luck.
You almost died.
Ooh,
I feel like the stairs are scarier.
no, it's not. He did it. Oh,
You didn't.
I died.
You got spiked.
You're just getting shot at down
I
there.
know. I got landed on the bow.
I got something by
I got my traps, baby.
I know my priorities.
Hmm.
I'm a man of priorities, you know.
Of course, of
Come
course.
on.
What did you just do, Pete?
You just put a
Nothing.
blowtorch right here.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, don't, because you're making it
Oops.
easier.
I didn't mean to put it exactly there.
You made it easier.
I didn't mean to put it exactly there.
There, yeah.
What I meant was that the spring would spike you back down. Shit. Alright, fair
Hey,
enough.
I mean, you made it really easy, so I mean, at least for you guys, I'm over here struggling. Oh! Whose bow is that?
Mine.
Your? Oh.
Oh,
So it makes things easier. Interesting.
oh,
That is such a death trap.
Yeah.
How? Wait, how?
Something pushed me.
oh, the fan
The ladder.
probably.
Maybe a fan or the
Fan
ladder.
down
No
there.
winners, no points. Oh boy.
Yeah. All right, we gotta get this rolling. Actually, you guys got pretty far.
Nice.
What are you trying to do?
Thinking.
You can destroy the eyes on top of the ladder. It's actually kind of useless.
No, don't destroy the whole thing. No.
Oh, you can destroy a
That's-
platform. You know?
Have you ever died by that black hole? Because I never have.
No, no one.
It's just kind of there.
Not anymore.
Damn. Oh.
I just
Didn't
got the achievement animal cruelty.
Yeah, me too. He's got the achievement too. Damn, this is.
I died within like 2 seconds into that.
Yeah.
See this? You see this? No more.
Nice.
Oh,
You destroyed one.
Now we have three. Now we have three.
Destroyed it.
Don't make it easy. Ah.
I don't even know if that's possible down there, to be honest. It's not. It's not. It's not.
Oh, the ice. Oh.
It's
You
not
shouldn't have removed it.
possible. It's
You
not
shouldn't have-
possible.
I'm getting rid of that blowtorch. That thing's too much. Don't get the chance. Yeah, I gotta get rid of the blowtorch. That thing's fucked. Shit, get a coin. If you put that coin right there, I'm gonna blow it up. I swear to God, I'll blow up everything up here.
Alright, fine. Get rid of the blowtorch.
Now that I see a coin here, I don't think I will.
Yeah.
But I will make it easier.
I mean, if he, that's just there in case if anybody gets there. I just kind of want this one to end. It's kind of mayhem at this point. It kind of
make it-
is.
This is the other one. This is the other one. So you have to.
I was
do-
going to, but I missed. Yeah, like a dog shit eater. He's not gonna make it anyways.
I took an arrow up my ass. Oh!
He's taking up the ass.
These are my arrows. Oh.
Taking it straight up the ass.
Yeah.
He won that one because he kept on pulling cheap shots.
That is true.